Okay, are you an agent chasing one deal after another? What if I could show you, not by having to click a link to go to a landing page for me to get your email, a playbook, what if I could show you right now in this video how you can avoid having to chase those deals every single day simply off of just surrounding yourself with the right agents who are going to send you consistent referrals every single week. Wouldn't that help a lot if you literally could just get a new referral once a week, close 4 extra deals a month, just based off of your agents and people who you are surrounding yourself with, who are having clients move from state to state, even country to state, or country to country, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. What if you could surround yourself with the right agents who are going to send you deals every single week through referrals? I'm not going to ask you to sit here and sign up a form to get that information. As long as you hang out with me right now on this live call, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that right now. So let me show you something really quick. Okay, so really quickly, right here, I got this little board here. Let's draw a world. Okay, this is the globe, okay, or a circle of agents all around the country, okay? Now, let's say you have an agent here, essentially just saying all these agents are all around the country or the globe, okay? And you're here's your little area, okay? Here's your state, county, whatever you work at, okay? All right, so what if you could have relationships with every single one of these agents right here, all around the country, direct relationships with every single one of them, and every single time one of them have a referral, they send them to you, okay, consistently. All right, and let's say that you have someone you want to refer out, okay, and you want to get that 30% referral fee, right? Guys, you can send them right back to them. These are what's called referral partners, and you can have these relationships all over the country. And I'm going to show you exactly how in this video, okay? So if you're excited about this, you should be, because this is a great opportunity for you to stop having to chase deals consistently every single day. You're going to have referrals sent to you consistently every single week and month, okay? So without further ado, let's get in this video and I'll show you exactly how this can happen. Okay, so here we are. So just like Facebook, eXp Realty has what's called eXp Workplace, okay? Now I'm going to show you what this looks like on my end, okay? This is what it looks like from my end. We are all under one umbrella. You see this little link right here where it says United States Referrals? Guys, we have 34,670 members, which is bizarre to me because we have over 95,000 agents at eXp and not even half of them are in this group. Okay, but 34,670 agents are in this United States referral. And what happens here is every single day, okay, people are posting, looking for a top-notch owner's agent in Lake Moss, Grant County, Washington, Missouri or Kansas City, buyer referral, looking for investments, 2 to 4 unit properties. Hey, I need an agent in North Beach and Suitland areas of Maryland, looking for 2 good listing agents in North Edwards, California and Winchester, Ohio, 400,000 plus range. Okay, you get the point. We have buyer's agents needed in Wadena, Minnesota, Galveston, Alabama, Moulton, Alabama, Bismarck, Missouri. So all these areas, guys, this whole entire platform is literally just to be sending you referrals. I probably get 2 to 3 referrals out of this every single month, generating me at least 1 million in volume every single month. Okay, no lie on that. So this thing is very powerful. Now, here's the thing. You're probably like, well, it's first come, first serve. Here's how I want to show you how to get these, okay? So you see how when you look at these referrals, let's use, I'm just going to pick on one here, this one right here. Looking for a buyer referral, looking for investment, 2 to 4 property, must have lots of experience with those. You see how there's comments, right? And you see these comments right here. Where'd my comments go? Okay, look at all comments. You can see here, people are referring, hey, Melissa helped me with mutual clients. They were very happy with her. Big Mike, highly recommend Kim Nedrick, connect with Kim Reddick. Okay, so you obviously, by going this route, have a lot of competition, right? Well, let me show you how to get around this. So what you do, okay, is, and I'm not going to actually copy on this one because I don't live in Kansas City. However, I'm going to show you. So what you're going to do is say, you're going to get here and comment, and you're going to write, hey, by the name of that agent. So Adam, hey, Adam. Hey, I know you have had a lot of reach outs, but if you're still interviewing agents, I would be honored for the opportunity. All right, now this is for this scenario right here because we're typing last, right? If you were typing first and you were up there and it was just posted and you got your name up in there, you're going to say, hey, Adam, I do a lot of deals in this area, or done a lot of work with a lot of 2 to 4 unit buyers. I'd be happy to help with you. Okay, once you send them this comment, right when you send them the comment, you're going to click Adam. All right, now we're on Adam's page. You're going to go to chat. Okay, you're going to go to chat and say, hey, Adam, I saw your post about needing a great buyer's agent in Kansas City. Okay, I would love the opportunity to chat. All right, you're going to type that to him. So now you've hit him twice. Guys, 95% of the agents in here are leaving a comment and being done. Okay, but we're not through yet. Okay, now what you're going to do, you see over here we have numbers. We have a cell phone number. Okay, you're going to literally text or call him, whichever one you feel comfortable with. Hey, Adam, I just sent you a message and comment on your post about needing a buyer's agent. I'd love to chat with you. Now you're getting directly in front of him before he can go and see everybody else. Okay, and then once you get off the phone with him, once you connect with him or he responds, I highly recommend making a call. Once you connect with Adam, send him an email. Okay, right here, Adam Wolf, adam.wolf@exponentially.com. You're going to be able to send them an email and then say, hey, it was great chatting with you, or hey, I left you a voicemail. I'd love to be able to talk with you. Reach out to me. You've just touched him in 4 different ways in probably 5 minutes, while most of the other agents are just leaving a comment. Guys, if you apply this structure right here to this, I promise you, you will get referrals every single week. Now, let's go a little bit more condensed here. Okay, so you're in the referral, United States referral. Same thing here with referral map. 21,000 people in this one. Okay, referral map, same thing. Looking for a buyer's agent in Minneapolis proper. Here we go again. Let's see. Looking for a listing agent in Ancaster, Michigan. Looking for 2 good listing agents north. So you see, these people are consistently putting out. I'm in United States referrals and then a referral map. Okay, need a buyer's agent referral for Big Sandy, Texas, north of Tyler. Okay, so I'm in 2 countrywide groups for referrals that I can get referrals from. Okay, and then I'm also in a state North Carolina group, NC Charlotte metro group. Okay, now in this group, people are going to be sending, if you are in your North Carolina, but maybe I don't service like Jacksonville, North Carolina, because it's 2 or 3 hours away, or Asheville, North Carolina. We could send referrals to each other within the state alone. So now you're within the state. And get this may not be a referral client that you're getting, but we are all the time saying, hey, anyone want to host an open house for me on this weekend? This particular one is not that. She's just saying, hey, come to my open house, guys. This is a great way to brand your open houses, agents. If you are in this type of group, you're sending out a blast of open houses to people who are already interested and direct to them. But we host open houses all the time. Hey, everyone, I have a tenant client who has less favorable credit. We have a team here that we are consistently helping each other out. Hey, looking for recommendations for a landscaping or grading company in Charlotte. We are here to support each other within this little North Carolina state that we have here, right? Guys, this referral map and referral group is one of the most amazing opportunities for you to continue to get leads and clients and build relationships, to send out referrals and to receive referrals, and for future deals and transactions down the road. Okay, this is an amazing opportunity to get into this. Okay, so now, how do we get into this? Let's talk about that. All right, guys, so I'm back here. So why is this so beneficial? Well, guess what? Every single agent in the EXP referral map in your state, they're there to support you and be supported by you. Okay, it's nothing wrong with joining Facebook groups or, groups that, are for agents online. But a lot of times people who see EXP are put off, or Remax are put off, or KW put off, or Real, or LPT, all these other, brokerages out there. Okay, they're like, ooh, I don't really like that brokerage. So they naturally already think they're not going to want to work with you. Well, the good thing is everyone is here to support each other. Okay, we're all under this one umbrella wanting every single person in the company to win, right? You don't have to sit here and try to get through the barriers of do they like this company or brokerage or not. We're all here to support each other no matter what, okay? So the best way to get into this program is by joining the EXP Wolfpack. What is that? That's my organization, guys. We have an organization called the Wolfpack, and people love it. People are loving this name. In fact, I just got on a contract on a home here in Mooresville, and in my thumbnail of the email or my tag or whatever you want to call it, it says Wolfpack United. And the agent's like, hey, did you graduate from NC State University? And I was like, no, that's the Wolfpack organization that I run, that I co-lead. And she was like, oh my gosh, that's so funny. What a great name, right? Because we genuinely are a pact, okay? So here's what I want you to do. If you want to learn more about this referral program, how to be able to get into it, and how to access the amazing, profound, amazing opportunities, okay? Just click the link below, and this is going to be my Calendly link, all right? I'm not going to sit here and try to spam you or anything in that nature. What I want you to do is I want you to schedule a 30-minute one-on-one call with me so that you can genuinely get on the call with me and chat with me about what are you struggling with, why you feel like this referral map is going to work for you, how it can help you, and then ask me all the questions or concerns you have. And then it's my turn to be able to inform you, and let's see if it works out for you and for the best of your career. Guys, it's not about hurting people's feelings, about moving from one brokerage to another. It's not about burning bridges. You're not doing that. What you're doing is you're bettering yourself, and you're bettering your business, and you're bettering your life, okay? At the end of the day, it is about you. It's about the agent. And if you want to be happy in your life, you're going to serve better clients when you're happier, okay? It's just naturally, that's how it works. So click that link below, book that one-on-one call with me. I won't take too much of your time. I'm not going to sit here and try to pressure you into joining if it's not for you, but I promise you the benefits outweigh the cost of not hitting that link and signing up for that call with me, okay? All right, at least do this. At least do this. If you're not going to book the call and you're not going to want to learn more about this referral program and the profoundness that it can provide for you, at least hit that subscribe button for me on my YouTube channel so that I can just at least provide you some more value and free, that you don't have to even come on and get a call with me, okay? At least do that for me. If you're not going to hit the link, at least hit that subscribe button. Guys, I hope you have a wonderful Monday, and I hope you have a wonderful remaining rest of your week. Have a great day, guys. I'm going on a Disney cruise in about 5 days. I leave on Saturday, so I am excited to get on that cruise. So I hope that you are having a great day. Have a great week. Talk to you soon.